Store garlic for up to 10 years without worrying about spoilage. Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Many people have the habit of storing garlic the wrong way without even realizing it, causing it to spoil, quickly rot, and become hollow inside, which leads to a lot of waste. So today I will show you 5 ways to store garlic so it stays fresh and flavorful, especially method number 2. If you use it, you can keep garlic for up to 10 years. First, if you only buy a moderate amount and plan to use it daily, I recommend keeping the whole garlic stem intact for storage. After bringing it home, you should not wash the garlic. Keep the whole bunch and only remove any bulbs that are bruised or show signs of spoilage. If the stem is still long, you can tie it into a bundle or lightly braid it like a braid to make it easier to hang. Then hang the garlic in a well-ventilated place such as a balcony near a window or a dry corner of the kitchen. Avoid direct sunlight and humid areas because moisture can cause the garlic to mold or sprout. This method allows the garlic to breathe naturally, reducing moisture buildup inside and helping it stay dry and flavorful for longer. If stored properly, garlic can last for several months while remaining firm, fragrant, and not hollow inside. When you need to use it, you can simply cut off each bulb very conveniently. This is a simple traditional method, but extremely effective, especially suitable for daily use. The next method is also one that has been used since my grandparents' time, and it is extremely effective, which is using sand. Garlic can be stored for many years, even up to 10 years. First, when you bring the garlic home, remove all the excess leaves and stems. Then place the garlic bulbs on the floor or in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight, and let them dry completely indoors for about a week, or until you are sure there is no moisture left. This step is very important because if the garlic still contains moisture, it can easily spoil or sprout during storage. Once the garlic is completely dry, you can start storing it. Now prepare some clean dry sand and a little table salt. Put the sand into a large bowl. Add about 1 cup of salt and mix well. Next, take a container, add a layer of sand at the bottom, then place a layer of garlic bulbs on top. Make sure the garlic bulbs do not touch or press against each other. Cover with another layer of sand and continue layering until the container is full. The sand helps maintain a stable, cool environment while the salt absorbs excess moisture. After finishing, cover the container loosely, not completely airtight, and place it in a dry, well-ventilated area such as a balcony or storage room. Avoid humid places like the kitchen. With this method, you can keep garlic fresh for a very long time, even several years, and simply take it out whenever you need to use it. Don't forget to save this and give it a try. You might even pass this method down to your children or grandchildren. The third method is also very simple and easy to follow, which is using flour to help keep the garlic dry. First, prepare a clean, dry glass jar or plastic container. Pour a layer of flour about 2.5 to 5 centimeters thick at the bottom. This layer will act as a base to absorb moisture from the air. Next, place the garlic bulbs into the jar until it is almost full. Try to keep the garlic loose and not packed too tightly. Then lightly sprinkle a thin layer of flour over the top. It does not need to completely cover the garlic, just enough to help control moisture. You can also add a little salt to increase moisture absorption and help prevent bacteria and mold. This is the main reason garlic becomes moldy or spoiled. Finally, close the lid and place it in a cool, dry place. By keeping the environment dry, the garlic will stay firm and fresh. With this method, you can store garlic for about 2 to 3 months while maintaining its flavor and quality. Next is a method that not many people know, but it is very effective for storing garlic using activated charcoal. First, put a few small pieces of activated charcoal into a clean, dry container. Then simply place the garlic bulbs next to the charcoal. You do not need to bury them or cover them. Activated charcoal works by naturally absorbing moisture from the air and helping remove odors, creating a dry and stable environment inside the container. Then close the lid lightly without sealing it tightly and place it in a cool, dry place, such as a cabinet countertop or dry storage area. With this method, your garlic can stay dry, firm, and fresh for about 3 to 5 months. Finally, the last method is soaking garlic in vinegar to preserve its freshness, and it also helps support your health. First, separate the garlic cloves and remove any that are damaged. To make peeling easier, simply press lightly on the top and bottom of each clove, and the skin will come off immediately, making the peeling process much easier. After peeling, cut off the base and slice each clove in half so it can absorb the seasoning more easily. Garlic is well known for its antibacterial properties and its ability to boost the immune system, so you should definitely keep a jar at home. Once prepared, place the garlic into a clean glass jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar to create a light sweetness, and a few slices of fresh chili if you like a bit of heat. Then pour in about 200 milliliters of vinegar and add some cooled boiled water until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid and gently shake the jar so the ingredients mix well. Next, store the jar at room temperature in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place for about 7 to 10 days. During this time, the flavors will develop and the garlic will become milder and easier to eat. If stored properly, you can enjoy this garlic for many months, even up to a year. It has a light sour taste and a distinctive garlic aroma, making it perfect as a side dish for everyday meals. And those are some simple and practical ways to keep your garlic fresh, flavorful, and ready to use whenever you need it. Whether you choose a quick method or a long-term one, each option brings its own convenience. I hope you find one that fits your routine. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.